Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have the new Pokemon Phantasmal Flames. We have 5 packs, 3 of which have the Charizard artwork. Let's hope that's a sign. We also have a triple blister pack. The Charizard makes it a great set to open. We have seen a lot of people pulling the big cards. Let's hope we can join them and pack 1 or 2. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. A hit, nice. We are looking forward to the new Mega Dream set, which will contain the Mega Dragonite and the Mega Gengar artworks. Nothing great out of the 5 packs. Let's try the triple blister. Hopefully better luck with this. A really nice Cosmo Holo promo. A Mega EX, very nice. Nothing out of the last one. The luck's not been with us today, but we have a lot more to open. Hopefully the luck will be with us in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe.